Hi, today I'm partnering with FabFitFun to tell you about their biggest flash sale of the year so far. It's FabFitFun Week. Flash sales access is available to members only to shop brands up to 70% off like Prada, Glossier, Free People, Coach, Fenty Beauty, and more. In case you aren't familiar with FabFitFun, it is a totally customizable lifestyle subscription. You receive a customizable box each season. So 4 times a year, you'll receive a box with 6 full-size beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and home products that you choose. Each box is valued up to $350. I love it because it allows me to try new brands and products that maybe I otherwise wouldn't get the chance to. Here's my summer box that I curated. And as a FabFitFun member, I get access to flash sales with top brands like Swell, Quay, Crate & Barrel, Free People, and Alterna Hair Care at amazing discounts year-round. Right now, they're having their biggest flash sale of the year so far. It's called FabFitFun Week, with discounts up to 75% off. The sale runs July 11th to July 17th and is open to members only. Here are some of the products that are in the sale that FabFitFun sent to me to share with you so that you can get a preview. But remember, things sell out really fast. Product 1 are these full circle kind plant dyed dishcloths. They come in a pack of 3. They usually retail for $7.99, but the FabFitFun Week sale price is $5 for all 3. This Swell 17-ounce bottle, the color in azurite marble, retails for $35, but you can pick it up during the FabFitFun Week sale for $21.99. I love this water bottle. It is so gorgeous and it's perfect. Product number 3 is this Alterna Hair Care Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protecting Spray. It retails for $32 normally, but during the sale it is $14. And I love Alterna Hair. They have really great products, so I'm really excited to use this one. This next product I absolutely fell in love with the moment that I took it out of the packaging, and it's a Crate & Barrel oven to table serving bowl. It retails for $40, and during the FabFitFun Week sale you can pick it up for $24.99. These Quay no cap sunglasses normally retail for $65, but during the FabFitFun Week sale, they are going to be $44. Isn't this Free People sky striped blanket beautiful? It is so luxurious and it's a really great size. So it retails for $78, but guess what, you can get it during FabFitFun Week sale. This is a steal. It is going to be on sale for $16. This is a steal. This would make like a great blanket, to cover up when you're watching TV. You could take it to a picnic. It's just so versatile. This one's gonna sell out real fast. Next up, we have the Gaiam Acupressure Mat and Pillow, which normally retails for $29.99, but during the FabFitFun Week sale, it's marked down to $24. These Quay Dusk to Dawn sunglasses normally retail for $75, but during the FabFitFun Week sale, they are going to be marked down to $49. Oh, these adorable short stories nesting bowl set in the color Mink Mix retail for $50, but during the FabFitFun Week sale, they will be marked down to $14.99. And how adorable are these Lily Pulitzer DOF glass set in my favorite color, blue. And this product will be also marked down up to 75% off. I absolutely love these glasses. They're adorable. The sale is open to members only, but they are running some special promotions if you want to sign up this week only. So you'd have to sign up from July 11th to July 17th. My saving codes I will put on the screen as well as in the description box and in the pinned comment underneath the video. If you use my code, you will get a gift valued over $300 with a new annual membership. I'm an annual member and I love it because I get first dibs at choosing the products that are going to go in my box. I get earlier shipping and I get first access to flash sales. I recommend the annual membership because you get the most out of it. But if you want to sign up as a seasonal member, I also have a 25% off code for your first box. Each season's box has a value up to $350, and when you use my code, your first box will cost you $52.50. These are bigger deals than FabFitFun usually run, so take advantage while you can because things will sell out quickly. Thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me once again on this video, and I thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.